business show, super excited. It looks busy in there, but I can't wait to meet people who have signed up for my 10% Braver session, because this is just the beginning. This is where the story starts to change, but the real work is done with my Braver blueprint, that's hard to say, which they'll all be getting at the end of this talk. So let's not funny around, let's get in there.
Yeah, that's what I always say.
Go, 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 go.
Business show! Well, that was amazing. Now, it's always difficult when you come to places like this. Everyone's vying for attention and wanting to get the right people to have the right conversations with, but your story is the one that matters. That's why I feel so honoured and excited about the people who came up to me at the end and who were saying, I am going to be 10% braver because of what I've heard. They are going to use the tools that I shared to upgrade their own story. And if you missed it, fear not, because I have a masterclass, The Business of Being 10% Braver, available soon, and you can sign up for it and get the recording right here. Pow!